What up, homies? Today, we're opening up this package I got from Merch Now. Let's bloody see. Give it a quick little tazzy-wazzy. What could bloody be in here, hey? What's this, hey? Ooh. I'm bloody excited. Oh, what the heck? The heck? Sleeping with Sirens? Sleeping with Sirens? Sleeping with Sirens? Miss May I? Rise Records, delete that. Node, Unified, that's okay. Oh, these are all albums. Crazy. Oh, are they? Oh, yes they are. Holy crap. Jesus. I also got a Of Mice and Men tape. And a Cane Hill album. I don't know who that is, but that's pretty crazy. Let's just have another quick look at these. Crazy, 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 crazy. And 2 cassettes. A Crown the Empire tape and an Of Mice and Men tape. A CD. A Rise Records bag. That's okay, I guess. Oh, okay. What's in this? What's in this, boys and girls? I know what's in this. Oh, dude. I'm so friggin' excited. I'm so friggin' excited, dudes. Oh, okay. That's how we're opening this box. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. It's the robot with human hair. How small is this little dude? I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, he's heavy. He's heavy. Ah. He's beautiful though. The robot with human hair. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing. He doesn't stand. Maybe he just doesn't stand out here. No, he doesn't stand. Okay, and then, oh my god, package, final number package. I know what this is too. Let's see though. Let's bloody see. Okay, so step 1 is done. Step 2 is also done. Oh. Okay, so what we've got in here are my vinyl records. Here we have these 2 bad boys, new Dance Gavin Dance tracks, Blood Wolf and Headhunter. Beautiful. We've got Acceptance Speech. We've got friggin', I can't remember. But it's beautiful. Beautiful. And what the hell? I didn't know what it is. Whatever. Of Mice and Men. Of Mice and Men. What the hell is this? Of Mice and Men. Woe is me. Issues. Feather. Sleeping with Sirens. I guess that Feather might be Sleeping with Sirens too. Silverstein. The Devil Wears Prada. Christ. I don't know. Looks like another. I don't know. Crown the Empire. And then. Of Fear and Faith. In Fear and Faith. I can't read that. We've got a Silverstein poster. We've got an Of Mice and Men poster. Fucking Austin. Fuck off Carlisle. And then Memphis Mayflower. Fucking also terrible band. So I guess they're just getting rid of terrible band merch. But okay. That's cool. I'll see you guys in the future. It me.